How to import a lead list into Instantly.ai. First, log into your Instantly.ai dashboard and click on the Leads tab on the left-hand menu. Step 2. You'll need either select an existing campaign or create a new one where your leads will be added. Step 3. Now, click Import Leads. You'll have two options. First, upload a CSV file with your leads or add them manually one by one. Step 4. If you upload CSV, make sure to map your columns correctly. For example, first name, last name, and email address should match with instantly fields. Step 5. Once everything looks good, hit Import. Instantly will process your file and your leads will now appear inside your campaign, ready for verification and sending. So that's it.